Feeling frustrated because TikTok suspended your ad account. This happens to so many advertisers. TikTok usually suspend account when something goes against their guidelines, and sometimes without any reason. New accounts usually get suspended and no one have the answer for this. Maybe it was an ad that did not meet their guidelines or something you did trigger the system. So firstly, you can try submitting an appeal directly through TikTok. Open the app, head to the support section and follow their steps to file an appeal. They will review your case and decide if your account can be restored. It might take some time and there is no guarantee, but it's definitely worth trying. And make sure you don't rush to make a new ad account, because this could get you into even more trouble. TikTok might see it as a red flag and making things worse. But if your appeal doesn't work, then there is only long-term and easy solution, and that is TikTok ad agency account. Agency accounts are generally more trusted by TikTok, so there is less likely chance to get suspended. Agencies help ensure your ad follows TikTok guidelines from the start, reducing the chance of suspension. You will have more time to focus on your business and creating great ads without worrying about breaking any rules. If you are ready to stop dealing with these issues and want to protect your ad account, then I can help you to switch to an ad agency account. Just drop a comment or reach out to us directly. I will leave the contact details on the screen and in the description. If this video helped, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips like this.